Here's my challenge, though. The people, the Nubian people, do you think they're mentally ready? Because remember, we've seen success in Jamaica with marijuana trafficking, mansions, music freedom. A people that doesn't have a mindset, especially in Jamaica, the quality of music being produced. And they have the freedom to do that. And they disseminate that across the world. Given more resources without a consciousness. Is it the consciousness first of the mind development?
True.
A resource. Because you see a lot of people want power, resource. And they say, give us this, even in Africa. Are the people educated enough? You know, Dr. Henrik Clarke, one of the greatest, says, power is not important, it is the management of power that is important. We see in Jamaica where there's mismanagement of power, and in Africa. So we know that the West needs to mind their business and leave resources to us.